Hey friends, today we got a little bit of a break in the weather. It's a little bit sunnier, so I'm going to take that chance to clean out the chicken coop. We built it with these access doors on both sides for this exact purpose. We use what's called the deep bedding method. So some people will clean out their chicken coop every time it needs fresh shavings, but the method we're using, when it needs fresh, you just pile right on top and it creates this tall layer. So here's the floor of the coop. Right now it's about up here, so we've got about 6 or 7 inches layer. Now it's been about 5 months, so I'm gonna clean it all out. It's the first time we're doing this actually. Going to clean it out and be able to compost this. Tried to build it. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, I'm really happy. We tried to build it at the height where this would work perfectly, and I think we may have succeeded. Wow, so some of it is frozen. We're down in the teens the last couple days. Now it's up in the 30s. Some of it is still frozen. I've injured my shoulder, so I have to be really careful because I have a lot of pain. And it's tough right now with COVID. I don't know how to get physical therapy worked out. So I'm just a little slower than usual, but that's okay. Okay, so first wheelbarrow full, probably take another one, but I'm gonna bring this over into our berry patch where I'm gonna just leave it to compost over the winter. So I of course want to clean out the nest boxes as well. We have these eggs that are just ceramic. When our chickens weren't laying in the nest boxes, so this is something you can use to train them where to put the eggs. I think especially once I clean out these nest boxes and they have just fresh shavings under their perches again, they might start laying eggs. They were making nests, like over here under the perches, they were making nests and laying there. Of course we want it in the box, so we'll see if now that they have fresh they start doing that again, and we'll keep the ceramic eggs in there just to train them again in case they need it. Woo. Hey ladies. that is that. Let me see if I can take this camera and show you a little bit. Here we go. So, looks pretty good. It's, you know, some dust still, but chickens are very dusty animals, so we're gonna call that great. Hey lady, I didn't get everything, but I got most of it, and that was 5 months. 5 months of bedding for them. That was about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, what is that, 4 wheelbarrow fulls. And I'm going to go get the new bedding, put that in now. We are done. Now the only thing, I'm gonna just have to be on the lookout for eggs. The perches are right here, so the eggs getting laid in the shavings. We'll see. Hey, thank y'all so much for joining, for watching. Yeah, if you have, if you like the deep bedding method, or if you prefer the other method where you're cleaning it out more regularly, let me know in the comments. This is my first year doing this, so it's the first time I've cleaned out the first deep bed method after 5 months. I'm pretty happy with it. I think there was very low odor, and I'm really excited to get the compost from it. But have a great day. Thanks so much for joining, and we'll see you on the next one.